This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, August 14th. I'm James Spann. Feels very nice today, and we stayed dry for a few days. Let's take a look. This is the big picture this morning, the water vapor satellite view. Nice troughing over the east. That's the reason it's so cool this morning. Ridging over the Great Plains and troughing over the Pacific Northwest. And yeah, buddy, look at those numbers. As cool as 54 at Fort Payne. Early this morning, the coolest spot I could find around the Skywatcher network is 53, coming from Vic Bell up at Black Creek. That's just northeast of Gadsden. That's awfully close to the 40s, and that's a sign that maybe fall is getting close. Got 64 in Birmingham, Tuscaloosa 62, Anniston 60. Tomorrow morning's going to feel nice as well, but we all know the high humidity and the heat and all that will be coming back, so enjoy it while it's here. And around the nation, you can see that nice, refreshing air over much of the east. In fact, I checked the observation up at International Falls, Minnesota at 5 o'clock this morning. They had 38 degrees here in the middle of August. Pretty remarkable. And, of course, with pretty stable air, there's no thunderstorms today, no rain today, and really no organized severe weather expected around the nation. This is the overall rain expected for the next 5 days. This is valid through early Tuesday morning of next week, hinting that the state could see about 1/2 inch of rain. The moisture begins to come back late this weekend, and clearly a chance of scattered storms at least early next week. And again, the tropics are just as quiet as could be with dry air over much of the Atlantic basin. We do note, looks like the African wave train is starting to crank up. You can see 3 of those there. One over the continent of Africa, one coming off the coast, another one south of the Cape Verde Islands. We'll watch those, but the problem is they hit that dry air and just kind of fizzle out. So for the moment, all is quiet. We'll check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. Troughing over the east and down below that, beautiful weather. Lots of sun. Highs today mid to upper 80s. Humidity stays very low, just like yesterday. Tomorrow, again, we start the day down in the low 60s again. I really think tomorrow morning could be just as cool as this morning with 50s for the cooler spots. The day will be sunny and the high up around 90. And then Saturday as the weekend begins, same deal. The sky mostly sunny. We might see low 90s, thickness values coming up a little bit. And this is Sunday. This look is still dry. We have seen other runs more aggressive with moisture return. We'll mention the chance of a shower Sunday afternoon, but if this is right, most everybody stays dry. And then Monday of next week looks fairly wet with a surface low north of the state on the Ohio River and a trailing surface boundary dropping in here. So Monday, the chance of showers and storms increasing. The front does not push through. We stay in moist air, so a chance of scattered showers and storms on Tuesday. But look at Wednesday. All of a sudden, we go dry, and that's not because of cool, dry air coming in. That's because of an upper ridge. And if that's the case, the heat levels crank up, and this is Thursday of next week, and you can see a 594 heat bubble over central Florida around Orlando. And if that's the case, Thursday would be hot and relatively dry with mid-90s likely. In fact, there's a look at the temperatures. You can see how they indeed begin to crank back up with those mid-90s toward the middle and end of next week. But then they tail back down out there toward the end of the month. In fact, we'll check the end of the forecast period, August 29th. Troughing over much of the western half of the nation, and again, that would suggest pretty average weather with a chance of scattered showers and storms here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.